So go ahead and come on. want, yeah. On the verge, on the edge, this what you want, yeah. Petrified, scared to dance, this what you want, yeah. Praying to God, there's prayers, this what you want, yeah. What you want, yeah. This what you want, yeah. Clinging on by a thread, this what you want, yeah. Empty heart, nothing left, this what you want, yeah. Breaking down, spiraling, this what you want, yeah. What you want, yeah. This what you want, yeah.
Hello darkness, my old friend, knocking at my door again, begging me to come outside. I let you back into my life. Now usually I'd be strong enough to lock the doors and keep them shut, but not today, I'm desperate. So go ahead and come on in. So go ahead and come on in. So go ahead and come on in. OCD is worse than ever, hands are bleeding, maybe I should take the pills. Don't know what's going on with me, some days I actually think I might be schizo. Say we probably not be even writing, this is making me begin to spiral. God, made a promise to myself I wouldn't let the fear back in, but then I did though. So the word that I was sick of running, then went back to running, what a joke. Disappointed, yeah, me too. I thought I finally made a breakthrough. Guess not, it's the same song and dance. You've all seen it before. Darkness holds out his hand, then we walk through the floor. Every decision made isn't mine anymore. Like a puppet with strings, I just don't have a choice. What's the truth? What's a lie? Help me God, help me Lord. Face your fears, dry your eyes. Grandma died, what's the point? Lost the keys, lost my hope, lost my will, lost my joy, lost a friend, lost my home, lost my faith, lost my voice. Standing back watching my mansion burn to ash. Hold the gas can, asking God if he started this fire. Is this what you wanted? Is this what you wanted? Make all my hopes and my dreams come to life just to lay them to rest. Is this what you wanted? Is this what you wanted? Give me a false sense of peace just to show me what peace really is. Is this what you wanted? On the verge, on the edge. Is this what you want? Petrified, scared to death. Is this what you want? Into